Very good morning, children. I hope you all are good. Are you ready for today's lesson? Okay. Sit erect, fold your hands and listen and look attentively. Okay? Shall we start? Now, what do I have here? This is triangle. This is triangle. It is a shape. It is a name of a shape. Triangle. Now let us see what it actually means. Now here, can you see? A triangle has 3 sides. Now what are 3 sides here? This is 1, this is 2 and this is 3. 3 sides. Okay. Are you ready to sing a song with me? Yes? Okay, let us start. A triangle has 3 sides. A triangle has 3 sides. Up the mountain, down and back. A triangle has 3 sides. Now will you sing along with me? Shall I sing again? Okay. A triangle has 3 sides. A triangle has 3 sides. Up the mountain, down and back. A triangle has 3 sides. Very good, children. Now let us see what it means. Up the mountain, back, down and back. A triangle has 3 sides. Now here, up the mountain, down and back. A triangle has 3 sides. Now these are the sides here. This is 1, this is 2 and this is 3. Okay, 3 sides. Now to understand the triangle much better and to see different shapes which we see every day in our life, let us go to Riya's house. This is Riya. Say hi to her. Hi, Riya. Okay. Now, what is Riya doing? Riya is going to celebrate her birthday. And you know, children, she is 5 years old like you all. So, she is celebrating her birthday. And let us see what preparations she has done. Now look up here. Can you see the festoons, children? Yes. Can you tell me? The delicately she has hung with the paper craft it is made for the decoration. Isn't it? Yes. These are called festoons. And they are triangle in shape. Correct? 3 sides. Correct? Yes. Now next, the cake. Cake is also triangle in shape. Now let us see the sides here. 1, 2 and 3. 3 sides. So that is a triangle. And what we have here? The birthday cap. And who is going to wear it? The guest of honor. Isn't it? Riya is going to wear the birthday cap because it is her birthday. And how many sides does a cap have? 1, 2 and 3. 3 sides in a birthday cap. Now let us see next. Oh, hot and crispy samosas. Your mama makes at home, isn't it? Have you noticed? It has a triangle shape. Isn't it? It is triangle in shape. And what about the fresh pastries? Fresh and see the flavors? Correct. They are also triangle in shape. So we have pastries and samosas here. Would you like to have some samosa? Ask your mama to do for you today. Okay? Next, we have sandwich, the all-time favorite. Sandwiches. Now have you noticed here? It is triangle, isn't it? It is stuffed with nice vegetables and butter and cheese and vegetables. And the bread is cut in triangle shape. Correct? And what about the big cheesy pizza? Slice of a pizza is triangle in shape. Would you like to count the sides? 1, 2 and 3. Here 1, 2 and 3. 3 sides. Okay, next. Yes, cold, soft and creamy. Sweet ice cream. And what about the cone there? Isn't it 3 side? Isn't it triangle? Yes, the ice cream cone is triangle. And what about the refreshing juice? In which glass it is poured? Just see the glass, children. Isn't that triangle? Yes? Let us see. Now see, this is a triangle. This is a triangle. Correct? This too is triangle here. All triangle shaped. Correct? Yes, so ice cream cone and the glass is triangle in shape. Next, okay, so here we saw so many things are triangle in shape. Can you recollect what we just learnt? Festoons, birthday cap and samosas, pastries and what else, children? Name fast. Sandwiches. They all are triangle in shape. So this is how Riya celebrated her birthday with all the things triangle. Now, to understand even much better, let us see what other things can we find even in our house which are triangle in shape. Can you tell me? Let us find out. The hanger. Can you see the hanger? What do we do with this, children? Mama, she puts in sari. She hangs the sari inside that, or a shirt or a pant, isn't it? It is a hanger. And it is triangle in shape. Let us see 1, 2 and 3 sides in a triangle. And what about this ruler? You must have seen in your elder sisters and brothers compass box. Yes, this is a ruler. So it has 3 sides here, isn't it? Okay. Next. Wow, the Christmas tree. It is triangle. Let us draw and see. Up the mountain, down and back. That is a triangle with 3 sides. Let us do it again. Up the mountain, down and back. Isn't it? A Christmas tree is triangle. Now next. Oh, what we have here? Temple. You must have gone to temple with Dada Dadi, isn't it? Have you noticed? There is a flag on the temple top. It is triangle in shape. Now next time when you go, you notice that, okay? You observe whether can you see the flag which is triangle. Okay. Now this is a religious significance, children. Yes. Okay. Now let me take you outside India. Now where have we gone? This is Egypt. Can you see? It is a famous monument. It is a pyramid and it is triangle. Correct? Can you see that, children? It is triangle in shape. A pyramid is triangle in shape. Now let us go to London, Paris. Now can you see here? The Eiffel Tower, it is tall. And triangle. Now you know what, children? Teacher also has one. Eiffel Tower, triangle. Yes? Okay. Next, what do we have? Your favorite cartoon, Angry Birds. It is also triangle. Let us see. 1, 2 and 3. 3 sides in a triangle. Okay. Now, you have already learnt the triangle. Yes. Now let us see the maths workbook page number where we are going to do this. Now can you see here? Up it is written triangle. Now what they are asking you to do? Color the triangles to complete the objects. Now can you tell me, children, what is this? It is a flag. So we have to going to color the flag, the triangle thing. Just color it, children. Okay? Okay. Next we have the Christmas tree. Can you see here 2 triangles? So we are going to color the Christmas tree in green. Teacher is not able to draw it, color it properly, children. But you do it neatly and nicely. Okay? So we saw this in the picture, right? We saw the flag, we saw the Christmas tree. Now tell me, what is this? It is a birthday cap. So let us color it. The triangle. It is a triangle and we are going to color it. Okay. And we have the ice cream cone. To color the ice cream cone, the triangle in this color. Okay. Now next, what we are going to do? Match the triangles of the same size. Now triangles are different in sizes, isn't it? Big, small, tall, broad. So we are going to match them. Now look at the upper line given, the triangles given in the upper line and the triangles given in the lower line. Can you see? Okay. Now we are going to observe all the 4 triangles up, all the 4 triangles down. Now, can you match them? Let us see which matches with this. You are going to draw a line like this. Okay. Now, next, let us see. Okay, this and this matches. So, I am going to draw a line like this. Match the same size. Next, this and this. So draw a straight line, only one straight line. And next, what is left? Here, this and this. Draw the lines very neatly. Okay. Now this was the page in the maths workbook, triangle. Okay, children. Now, as usual, some activity for you. Now, would you like to draw all these objects given? Flag, Christmas tree, birthday cap and ice cream cone. Shall we try? Okay, let us do it. It is your activity time. So, let us try to draw all these objects. Let us try to draw a triangle first. We'll make a birthday cap. Let us decorate this cap. Birthday cap. Next, let us try to do ice cream cone. You can put dots like this Ask Mama to put dots like this. 1, 2 and 3. What you can do is, you can join the dots. So this is the cone, triangle shaped, and we will draw semicircle here and a circle here for the ice cream. So this is birthday cap and ice cream. Next we can draw is a flag. For the flag, let us draw a straight line. This will be the pole and a triangle like this. So this will be the flag. Let us draw Christmas tree now. Triangle. This is a Christmas tree. Can decorate this. And let us color it now. So now you can see here, I have colored the birthday cap, ice cream cone, flag and Christmas tree. So these are the things that we can do by drawing a triangle first. Now I will show you some interesting thing, a paper craft using triangle. Now I have taken a square paper. First we are going to fold the top bottom and make a nice crease here. And when you open it up, you get a straight line here. Now take this edge and fold it here on the line. Take this edge and fold it here on the line. I have taken this paper from a paper bag. So if you don't have a marble paper, you can always use that. And this you are going to fold it over here. So 3 folds we have done. First fold, second fold and the third fold. And turn this. Now you can see you have got a triangle. Now this will be the face of the mouse. And I have here 2 circles cut out. I am going to stick this over here and here. Stick it using a Fevi-stick. Stick this and take a black sketch pen and draw the eyes here. Mouth here. Complete it by drawing a black outline. Now our mouse is ready. Our Jerry is ready. Now let us give Jerry a piece of cheese, which is also triangle in shape. Thank you children. Bye and have a nice day.